I wanted to have a quick look at DeFi Llama, right? Just looking at, because like we like to say on this show, follow the money, look at what's happening at the markets, like where are people actually investing money to get yields from, right? So looking at DeFi Llama, one thing you will notice, Tron, right? See, like, oh, you see all these red everywhere. And then you see Tron, you see like 1 day change, 2%, 7-day change, 37%, 1 month change, 42%. Like, what's going on, right? Like $5.8 billion invested there. And then and I want to talk about it's kind of trumped Avalanche, right? And like I said, I like the coins that are steadily building, right? Not like, Terra Luna went all the way up to second, went to second total value locked, and now it's not even in the top 30. It's always somewhere in the bottom, right? 35 now. It's falling every single time I look at it. So this one, they're not as bad. They're definitely not as bad. But let's talk about, what's actually happening. So when you look at the sort of Tron price right now, you can see it's bucking the trend of the market. It's up 15% in 7 days. It's stable for the last day or so, up 10% for the last 14 days. So what actually happened, right? Let me jump back actually straight to what happened. Justin Sun, it was going to kill me. Justin Sun, right? So this guy doesn't have the best reputation in crypto. I'll do your own research. They call him like a shilling king, do your own research, right? But that's why I got out of Tron last year. But anyway, essentially their DeFi ecosystem, as we can see from DeFi Llama, is soaring. It's now the third largest blockchain in terms of TVL, which is huge. Like, it's absolutely huge. It's really, really high. Now, the surge can be attributed to its new algorithmic stablecoin armored USDD. Now, this is completely different because it's not UST, it's USDD. Notice there's a D instead of a T. Completely different. Right? Completely different. Don't tell me. There's clearly an additional letter here. So how dare anyone tell me it is the same thing, which has ballooned to $500 million on promises of not 30%, not 20% APY, 30% risk-free yields. So again, like Terra Luna, not 20% APY armored, no, 30%. Completely different letter and 10% more APY. This is what I'm saying. History repeats itself, man. People don't learn. We literally just yesterday, metaphorically, just yesterday, we had a crash that took down half the bloody market, and people are still, pumping and dumping this thing and trying to get 30% yield. Like, when are you going to learn? Like, this just happened, man. It blows my mind. And literally here it talks about it has a similar stabilization mechanism as Terra's USD stablecoin. So, I mean, which suffered a $40 billion death spiral, right? I don't know if you're in this. If you are, I would probably run for the hills. Not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do with your own money. But it's scary, man. Like usually, history repeats itself after a couple of years, not a few days. But anyway, that's what's happening with Tron right now. That's why it's bucking the trend.